Hi guys, this is the Best Self Icebreaker card set, Deeper Talk. So I have the first one in the light blue, and this one is the Deeper Talk. So there's 6 categories of cards again, but these ones are different. So we have dreams, exposed, life lessons, beliefs, courage, and self-awareness. And again, as an EFL teacher, I love these to promote discussion, get people talking. But I find these deep cards, it's hard in a context where my students don't know each other that well, especially some of these belief cards. The questions are tough, not necessarily from a linguistic standpoint, but the goal of my classes is to get students talking. And if they're sitting there confused or perplexed by the difficulty of the question that's posed to them, and plus they're younger students, so they haven't necessarily reflected on their life to the same extent as other kids, or other adults, I should say. But in any case, the self-awareness ones are good, so I'll just go through some of these with you. These are definitely more accessible, I find. So fantastic for the whole family on road trips in the car. You know, these are, obviously, this particular question is great for younger people, but they're good for adults when you're having parties together around the table. You want something to talk about. So lots of potential uses for these cards. They've been a great asset for me, definitely in the classroom. Hold on, I'm out of focus here. There you go. All right, so I don't think well, maybe I should go through a few more of these. I should have gone through them more quickly. There's so many. There's 100 and what is there in this box here? 150 prompts. And by the way, these also make for fantastic journaling prompts. But asking personal questions like this, is a great way to get them to write in their own voice. So I highly recommend these cards.